OnePlus has announced it is joining the AI bandwagon. While the company has announced a couple of AI features before, yesterday the company is announcing a much wider suite of functionality and hardware integration under the new OnePlus AI brand. The new AI will debut along with the OnePlus 13s phone. The phone has a dedicated button on the side known as Plus key, which replaces the OnePlus iconic alert slider. This button lets you access other features but will play an important role in enabling one of the main features. OnePlus calls this the AI Mindspace. This feature can be activated by pressing and holding the plus key. Using something called AI Plus Mind, this feature scans the contents of your screen, help you save catalog and recall that information later. It can find dates or events and add them to your calendar, detect places and locations, and provide more information on them, can translate any language that is present. All this information gets saved in the Mindspace, where the screenshots and extracted information are sorted using AI search. Users can also type in query based on the information in the Mindspace using natural language, and later this year, AI Plus Mind will automatically categorize saved events. The AI Plus Mind will be debuting on the 13s and will arrive in the rest of the OnePlus 13 series via software update, with plans reaching older devices. On devices without the plus key, this device can be accessed by swiping up on the screen with 3 fingers. Aside from this, OnePlus has also another series of AI features such as AI VoiceScribe. It can record, summarize, and translate calls and meetings within popular messaging and video apps and online meeting apps. AI Call Assist, which is India exclusive, will offer an automatic call summaries or real-time call translation during calls with the new OnePlus Dialer app. AI Translation app consolidated all translation capabilities across text, live voice, camera-based, and screen translation to a single app. AI Search will let you search for any information on your phone using natural language query. AI Reframe, found within Photo app, will analyze photo scenes and generate multiple creative framing options for users. Finally, AI Best Face 2.0 can automatically detect and correct issues like closed eyes and unflattering experiences. OnePlus is integrating Google Gemini, with Gemini now being able to work across OnePlus Oxygen apps such as OnePlus Notes, Clock, and more. Gemini Live is also supported in camera and screen sharing. With regards to privacy concerns, OnePlus states it prioritizes on-device processing for highly sensitive information, while more intensive computation is required. It uses the company's private computing cloud for secure encrypted environment for data processing. It uses a trusted execution environment that scans the user device, cloud services, and data transfer process.